Hello everyone, welcome to UNC virtual class. On today's lectures, I am going to discuss one of very important part of the computer graphics field, that's your 2D clipping. So here is an outlines which I will discuss on today's class one by one. First I will discuss introduction about clipping. After that I will discuss types of clipping. So now to start our initial concept, that's your introduction about clipping. That means what is clipping? Clipping is one type of methods or techniques to selectively active or deactive, enable or disable of the rendering application operations through within the specified regions as the interest of the user to be provided. That means it is one type of cropping technique through which the end user to be needs for crop the given images as the specified region space to be provided through which the pictures to be viewing opens. That is to be called as clipping. Now the question arises, why we have used the technique of clipping? In general way, the clipping technique to be used when in a world coordinate systems that to be viewing above the part of view space, in this case the clipping technique to be used. But in case of computer graphics, it to be provides different types of clipping technique through which the end user to be viewing their space as the interest of the object space to be provided. So what are the different types of clipping? Here it to be provides 5 types of clipping techniques. The first one is the point clipping, and the second one is the text clipping, and the third one is the line clipping, and the next one is the polygon clipping, and the last one is the curve clipping. But in today's class I will describe about the concept of point clipping, and after that I will describe the concept of text clipping. So now to starting our the initial clipping concept, that's to be called as point clipping. So what is point clipping? As we know, in case of computer graphics, the point is the most valuable attribute of the given graphical field. Why? Because whenever any types of textual or any other types of data that to be converted on the format of pictorial, each picture that to be consisting discrete number of pixel points. That means the points. That means here the point is one type of dot points or any types of pixel points which has no dimensions. So now the question arises, what is point clipping? That means now we have to check this given points whatever the user to be provided, these points to be available on the space of interest as the user to be provided in between the clipping window, that to be available or not. That means the point to be inside the region clipping window or the outside regions. If that to be present inside the clipping window, that to be accept, otherwise that to be rejected. So now to check how the pixel points to be check that to be present in between your clipping window or not. Suppose as we know, in case of world coordinate systems, the world coordinate system that to be consisting of 4 pixel points. So now to check the point clipping, that means which point to be accepted by the clipping window and which point that to be rejected. Okay, so first to draw one 2D Windows coordinate systems. So that's your 2D Windows coordinate systems by consisting 4 pixel points. That's your WX minimums, and that's your Windows coordinate of X coordinate value, that's your WX maximum. Similarly, that's your WY coordinate of minimum value, and that's your WY of maximum coordinate value. So by using these 4 world coordinate value, now we have to provided 3 pixel points. Suppose the 3 pixel points, that's your first points pixel P1, and the second pixel points, that's your P2, and the third pixel points, that's your P3. Now the question arises, when this given Windows coordinate pixel value that to be viewing above the part of view space as the user interest provided by the clipping mechanisms, then which point that to be accepted and which point that to be rejected. That means which point that to be inside and the region of the clipping window and which point that to be outside of the clipping window. Suppose here the clipping windows screen or view screens, that's sure. And the view screens also to be consisting of 4 coordinate points, that's sure Vx minimums and that's sure Vx maximums. Similarly, that's your Vy minimums and that's your Vy of maximum coordinate value. So now to check which pixel points that to be accepted and which pixel points that to be rejected after the point clipping. So this is the clipping windows, and this whole coordinate systems to be called as world coordinate systems or Windows coordinate systems. So how that to be clipping? It to be clipping by using some algorithm steps. Here the first step to be collected all over the windows or world coordinate pixel points. So here first to collected the world coordinate pixel points, that's your Wx minimums and Wx maximums and the Wxy minimums, similarly Wy maximums. After collecting all over the world coordinate pixel value, then you have to collect all over the pixel elements which is to be needed for checking which coordinate to be accepted by the clipping window and which coordinate to be rejected. So now here to be collected there is now there are 3 pixel points. So here the 3 pixel points, that should P1 and P2 and after that should P3. Then after you have to check which pixel points that to be present inside the regions and which pixel points that to be outside of the region space of the clipping windows. So how that to be possible? That to be possible by using 2 protocols. So what are they? Here the first protocols, that's your x value of minimums that to be less than or equal to of the x coordinate elements as the pixel points to be defined. Then after that you have to check that to be less than or equal to of the x coordinate of maximums. That means here the x minimum coordinate elements that to be specified of the view regions, and similarly the x coordinate of the view regions of the maximum value, that's your x maximums, and that's your x coordinate value which is the pixel coordinate value that to be checked, that to be accepted or rejected. So and the second condition, similarly whenever we have to detect which y coordinate that to be present in between the given clipping window or not. Similarly here is the formula, that's your y of minimum that to be less than or equal to of y coordinate and that to be less than or equal to y of maximums. So here we check now to by using the first coordinate. Here the first coordinate pixel points, that's your P1s. Suppose here the coordinate of the world coordinate to be starting the pixel points 0, 0 locations. That means here the x coordinate 0 and also the y coordinate that to be 0. Now to check when we have to detect the pixel points P1 that to be present or rejected, that to be present inside the clipping window or outside of the regions. So now to check here the pixel points P1s that to be normally belongs from the given pixel points. That means here the x coordinate that to be extended. Suppose here the x coordinate that to be extended the regions 2. Suppose here the x value that should 2. And similarly now to check here the y coordinate value that should 0. When that to be extended or increased, that to be suppose here the y coordinate value that should 6. Okay. So now to check, that means so now to check here the pixel points, that's P1 that's your 2, 6. So here you have to check here the x coordinates that's your 2 and the y coordinate value that's your 6. So now to check by using the given 2 conditions. First it to be defines the x minimum value. Here the x coordinate value that's your 0, 0. That means here that coordinate value is world coordinate systems. Now to check by using the given constraints that pixel point P1 to be accepted on the clipping window or not. So to check here the pixel P1 points that to be contains the pixel value that's your 2, 6. That means here the x coordinate that's your 2 and the y coordinate that's your 6. But whenever we have to checking that coordinate to be present on the view clipping window or not. Here the view clipping window to be starting from by default, suppose your value that's your 3 and that to be ended with the value x coordinates that sure suppose 6. Okay, similarly here the y coordinate of the view windows or clipping windows that to be starting from value, suppose here their value to be starting from 3 and ended with the value that sure 7s. Okay, so now to check by using the first constraints, here the first constraint that to be represented that sure yx of minimum is less than or equal to x and also that to be less than or equal to x maximum. So here x minimum value that sure in case of viewport that sure 3. 3 is less than or equal to x. X means which coordinate pixel points that to be checked, that sure 2. Then after that you have to check that to be less than or equal to x maximum. That means here the x maximum value of the viewport clipping windows that sure 6. That means now you have to check here the conditions to be false. That means 3 is less than or equal to 2, no. 2 is less than or equal to 6, yes, that to be condition satisfied, but here the condition to be false. So that means the P1 coordinates that cannot be present inside the clipping window regions. So we have to reject the clipping points that sure P1. Okay, so now to check the next pixel points. Here is the next pixel points that sure P2. Now to find the P2 pixel position value of the x coordinate and y coordinate. Suppose here the x coordinate of the pixel point P2 that sure 4 and similarly the y coordinate of the pixel point value that sure suppose here 5. Okay, so now to check these pixel points to be present inside the clipping window or not. So now to check here the pixel points that sure 4 and 5. So now to again check the constraints, the given two constraints. They are sure x minimums is less than or equal to x, then is less than or equal to x maximums. Okay, so now to put our x minimum value. Here the x minimum value to be starting from value that sure 3. So 3 is less than or equal to x. Here the x coordinate that sure value 4. Then is less than or equal to x maximum. Here x maximum value that to be ends with the value that sure 6. That means here we check 3 is less than or equal to 4, that to be condition true. Then again we have to check 4 is less than or equal to 6, yes, that condition to be true. That means the x coordinate to be lies inside the region of the clipping window. So now to check the y-th coordinate value by using the given constraints. So here the y-th constraint conditions to be specified that sure y minimum is less than or equal to that's your y, then less than or equal to y maximum. So here we have to check the clipping window of y coordinate minimum value, that's sure 3 and that to be ending with the maximum value, that's sure 7. So here y coordinate of the value, that's your minimum value, that's your 3, then less than or equal to the given pixel y coordinate value which is to be checked, that to be present or not. Here that's your 5 and less than or equal to maximum value of the y-th coordinate of clipping window, that's your 7s. Okay, so now to check 3 is less than or equal to 5, is condition true. After that now to check 5 is less than or equal to 7, is any one of the conditions may be less than or equal to. If all over the two conditions that to be satisfied, then you have to check this given pixel points to be accepted by the clipping window. Clear? That means here the pixel P2 points that to be accepted. So now to check the third pixel points that sure P3. So now to find the pixel point P3. So first to detect the value of the x coordinate and y coordinate of the given pixel points. So now to detect this, here the P3 coordinates that to be contains the pixel elements of x coordinate that sure 6 and the y-th coordinates that sure value that sure 7s. Okay. So now to check by using the given two constraints, because by using two constraints we have to check the given pixel points to be present inside the windows or maybe that to be outside of the regions. So now to check here x minimum is less than or equal to x. Here x minimum is less than or equal to x, then less than or equal to x maximums. Okay. So here the x minimum coordinate of the clipping windows that sure contain value 3 and the 3 is less than or equal to x. That means which coordinate you have to check that to be present inside the region or not. Here the x coordinates value that shows 6. Then you have to check less than or equal to x maximums. That means here the windows, here the wall, here the view coordinate part of the Vx maximum that should contain value 6. That means here you have to check 3 is less than or equal to 6, yes, 3 is less than to 6. After that you have to check 6 is less than or equal to 6, here 6 is equal to 6. That means in this case that to be executed all over the data value by using OR elements. That means either that to be satisfied less than symbols or maybe that to be satisfied equal symbols. If any one of the conditions that to be satisfied, then you have to check this given points, then you have to see this given points to be present within the given clipping window. That means here the given constraints that to be satisfied. So now to check the next elements, that means the yth coordinate value. Here the yth coordinate value that to be provides the formula that shows y minimum is less than or equal to y and also is less than to equal to y of maximum value. So now to check what is the y minimum value, here the clipping window to be contains the yth coordinate of the minimum value that shows 3 and the maximum value of the yth coordinates that shows 7. So here the yth coordinate value that shows 3 that to be less than or equal to y value. That means those given pixel points to be executed just recently for checking that to be inside the region or not. So here the yth coordinate value that shows 7, then less than or equal to that shows y maximum. That means here the y maximum coordinate elements that to be contains value 7. So now to check 3 is less than or equal to 7, 3 is less than equal to 7 is condition to be true. After that you have to check 7 is less than or equal to 7, yes, 7 is equal to 7. That means here the yth coordinate also to be present inside the region of the clipping window. That means in this case x coordinate and also y coordinate to be present within the given clipping window. So here the P3 coordinate pixel points that to be also accepted. So by using these two constraints we have to calculate the point clipping mechanisms. So in today's lectures we have to learn the concept about clipping. That means by using the clipping technique we have to crop all over the pictures elements as the user interest to be provided. And after that we have to learn the concept about types of clipping. That's your first concept, that's your point clipping. As we know, whenever any types of graphical elements that to be designing, in this case that to be consisting discrete number of pixel points. So here how these pixel points to be clipping and that to be providing inside the regions of the user space as the user to be interested for viewing this given pixel points. After that we have to learn by using two protocols like your x minimum that to be less than equal to x, that to be less than or equal to x maximum value. Similarly in case of y coordinate also we have to detect it how all over the coordinate that to be visible inside the region of the clipping window. In next class we have to learning about the concept of text clipping and line clipping. That means whenever any types of textual or string data that to be viewing above the part of the view windows coordinate system, so how that to be arranging and designing all over the textual information as the user view space to be provided. Similarly we have to learning by the concept of line clipping through the help of Sutherland-Cohen concept. That means by using Cohen-Sutherland concept we have to intersect all over the lines which is to be outside of the region of the given clipping window, that to be also we have to detect it by using your line clipping concept. So for today's class that's all. If any conflict or confuse in your mind, then you can ask me with the help of comment box. That's all. Thanking thou.